Good morning, students. We were discussing about different institutions. In 9th class, we detailed and discussed about institutions. So, what is an institution? Now, working of an institution is Supreme Court, Parliament, government, even our school itself is an institution. So, what is an institution? That's first we will understand. An institution is a social structure in which people cooperate and which influences the behavior of people and the way they live. So, science school is an institution. It means your behavior, your pattern, your activities, everything is influenced by the culture of science school. The same way we are discussing about the national important institutions. So, an institution is a social structure. So, it is not correctly a building. It's a social structure. So, society, building, human beings, relationship, everything includes. That's the institution. In which people cooperate. So, if you are going to discuss about the parliament, so the members of the parliament cooperate. They come together. And which influences the behavior of their people. Now the institution of government, Supreme Court is an institution. The behavior of the judges of the Supreme Court naturally influences the members of the society of India. The same way, the behavior of the way they live means how we live. The influence of the Supreme Court, influence of the Parliament, influence of the government, the executive, all those things are there. That's all we call it institutions. Okay. Institutions are permanent. Judicial system is a permanent judicial institution. Parliament is a permanent. It is not the building. Okay? Complete system. The Parliament, President, the Vice President, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So it is not the Parliament, the building, it is the all people together. Building also is part of it. That's the institution. Institutions are permanent, which means that they do not end when one person is gone. See, Sunday school is an institution. When the principal, this principal moves out, another principal comes in. When one principal goes out, the institution is not coming to an end, it continues. The Prime Minister changes, the institution doesn't end, it continues. So that's the institution. Changing, the persons may go, may come, but the institution will continue. All the persons may go, new persons may come inside, still institution may remain. So that's the institution. Okay. Legislature, executive and judicial, these three are the important institutions of the country. When it comes to a nation, when it comes to the country of India or the state of India. What makes us functioning more or less democratic? So, these institutions are democratic, that is what we must understand. What is democracy? We have clearly discussed. Every member has got the right to express, and every member is bound to listen to the ideas of others, and they join together and take a decision. That's democracy. So here you see what makes this functioning more or less democratic, where it is democratic or not. Working on the national level government called central government, union government, or just a government of India. Now we come to central government. Sometimes we call it what? Central government we call it, we may call it the union government, we may call it just a government of India. All those things words we use, government of India. State government is there, that's why we use it. All those things. Sometimes we call central government, sometimes we call it union government, sometimes it's the government of India. All those things are part of, they are all institutions. A government. Now we are going to one by step how these institutions work and how. in our textbook, a government order, an institutional order of a government. That is what it is. What is an order of government? That we will see. The government order is issued by the executive on the basis of the powers given to it either by specific act or the past conventions. So government order is issued by a paper, a document. Paper or a document. Issued, published means publicized or published. By whom? By the government, by the executive. Executive is the agency which can act. Legislature makes laws. Even the laws that are made by the legislature are typed and printed and signed by the members of the executive. Okay? And it is signed by the president, then it becomes a law. Okay? So, the person who implements, does the thing is called executive. Government order is issued by the executive on the basis of the powers given to them either by the parliament passes an act, as per the act of the parliament, executive can do, or previous conventions and customs that are going on on that basis also executive can pass an order. A bill once passed by the parliament or state legislature and given assent by the president or governor becomes the law of the land. Now recently many bills are passed by the president parliament. There was a employment bill, labor law bill was there, agricultural amendment bill, so all those bills. So once the bill is presented to the president and president puts his signature assent, it is known as an act of the parliament. So president puts the signature. So then only the bill becomes the law. Then only it becomes a government order. Unless and until president does not sign it, it is not a government order. It's only paper which has no value. So once it will become valuable, once it becomes useful, once the president signs it, tells that we have made a law. President is mainly the part of the legislature. So he tells to the executive, see, this is a law, you can use it. So law is given to the executive to implement into practice. Now, all the government orders will have numbers like, you see, 306, 1, 2, 3, 1, 9, 0, EST. So they have their code numbers. In our school, we might have seen SRO, all those things might have published there. It will have no code number. So when it was published, where, what reason, which department, all those things will be available by looking at this number. So they will have this number. All the government orders, documents will have numbers to identify where, concerning it, which department, which parties. Date of issue, dated, it will be there in the government order. The date of the order comes into effect. If the bill is, something is signed, and on which day the order will be in effect, that also will be mentioned in the order of the government. Okay. Then, it is normal order called office memorandum. It's called office memorandum. Normally it is called OM. OM is called government orders. Usually it is called OM. Government OM means office memo, office record. Means it is published, but office record is this one. So all those things will be available in the government order. Okay. Who makes the decision? That's important. This is not a person who publishes. Our school, the SRO is typed by the typist. But the typist doesn't make any order, a decision. It does, typist types. That's all. And there's an officer who will sign on it. So who is responsible? The typist is responsible or the officer is responsible? The officer is responsible. So decision is made by the officer, not by the clerk. Okay. So he is the person who has signed under that is responsible for it. And if he is not the topmost authority, he will mention in the order that by which power I am, who has given me the power to do it. That also will be mentioned in the such and such an order of the government or a decision of the government has given me the power to sign on this. Then only he signs. President is the head of the state and is the highest formal authority in the country. All the decisions of the country should be in the name of the president. Okay? Prime Minister is the head of the executive, government executive, and actually exercises all governmental powers. Decisions are taken by the cabinet meetings. You know, in the constitution, all the powers are given to the president. At last, one sentence is there. All these powers will be implemented or utilized by the president on the advice given by the prime minister along with the cabinet. Not prime minister alone. It is written there, prime minister along with the cabinet gives the recommendations to the prime president and president will sign it. Means, who gives recommendation to the president? The cabinet, the prime minister and the cabinet. So the decisions are taken in the cabinet meetings. Cabinet meetings decisions are taken, and that cabinet meeting decisions are sent to the president and the president signs it. So Indian president has to sign it. Unless and until the president signs, no order, nothing will become valid. That's it. So this is checks and controls. Okay, and later we discuss it. So decisions are taken in the cabinet meeting. So prime minister, the head of the government executive, and actually exercises all the presidential powers are actually exercised by the cabinet and the prime minister. Okay. Parliament consists of, so who are the members of the parliament? It is every time in UPSC, everywhere the question comes. Okay. This year also it was the same question was there in UPSC. Parliament consists of the president, two houses, that's the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. So they are the legislature. Okay. The parliament, this is the parliament. The president, members of the two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. In India, all the members of the permanent executive are the members of the houses. Correct? But when we discuss about the parliament, we have to say the president, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Then only it is called parliament. The prime minister must have the support of the majority of Lok Sabha members. If prime minister should remain as a prime minister, minimum 50% plus 1 members who are present in the house should support him. That's the criteria. 50% plus 1. It is not 51%. It is not necessarily 51%. Okay? 50% plus 1. If you said 100 members are there, 51% and 50% plus 1 is same. If more than 100% people are there, 50% plus 1 is different. Okay. If I am to, it is 50% plus 1, 51% will be different. If 500,000 people are there, 51% will be different. Okay. You know it. Calculations. Find out. Okay, so that is about the parliament and its